Hey, my friend, welcome. In this section, we are going to be able to upload our product. But before then, what we want to do in this lecture is whenever we have a data over here and we set the state, we still want to be able to return that data. Now, I'm going to show you an example. Within the enter product name, I'm going to enter Goosey as the name of the product. And I'm going to go to shipping screen, that is the shipping tab screen, and come back to this general. We still do have this Goosey as the product name. And come to the attributes and come back to the general, and we still do have that product name called Gucci. But come to the size over here, and the size is going to be L, that is a large, and click on add and come to this, and you can no longer see that product name anymore. And the reason for this is because remember within the add button we are using the set state, and what the set state will do is it will refresh our app, right? So what we can do is we can make it not to refresh this screen whenever we set our state. Okay, and also we have this error via we do not have anything to add, but this got added. We're just gonna sort that in the future. But before then, what we are about to do is to return the data whenever we set our state. So to do this, we have to go to the upload tab screen, and first of all, we want to retain our data for the general screen, and Control and B to make this wide. Sorry, Control and B. And we are currently using a stateful widget to, and this will basically match what we are about to do. So over here, we can, over here within the state, we can then use this, which you've not seen before. It is known as with auto automatic keep alive client missing. Great. Now we have this over here. Finally, what we have to do is to say override over, hopefully I can spell, sorry, this is going to be at override, then bool get want want keep alive. Want keep alive is going to be our function is equal to true. So we want to keep this page alive. So whenever we set the state in another screen, it won't refresh the data we have over here. And this is it. And over here, we should have this blue line over here. To get rid of that, we can just say super then dot build. Okay, and it automatically passes the context, so that we get rid of that. And this is it. We also can return for the other screens such as the images tab, and also we are using a stateful widget. If you're not, you can just do what to change it to a stateful widget. And within the state, we can as well say wait automatic keep alive client missing. Then we can say art override, then bool get want keep alive our function equals to true. Sorry, our function, and just gonna copy this to make it faster. Copy this, and also we have to say super then build, and it will automatically pass in the contest. You have to do this again for the shipping screen to retain our data even when the state has been set. And the width or two. Okay, and that over there, sorry, undo this and paste this over here. And super dot build, and I think we've done that for the general screen. Okay, we have that already. And let's go to the attributes screen and let's see what we got over there. Okay, make sure you, okay, we're currently using a set widget as well. So automatic with automatic, okay, and paste this, then super dot build, okay. And I think this is all. This is all the four tabs we have. So now let's try this out. And the product name is going to be Goosey, and attribute large and add. Okay, this is gonna set our state, remember, and we still do have it over there. And over here we can just go ahead and say shipping charge is gonna be 10. So even if we set state, it's not gonna refresh that screen, and we're still gonna have the data over there. Seems good. And we can as well pick an image, and it's still not gonna get rid of that image no matter what until we hot reload this. So everything is working as we expect. Then in the next lecture, we are finally going to be able to upload our data or our products. And hopefully we did that for the, okay, we did it also. And please, if you do not understand this, please do well to let me know.